Hey everyone, I thought it would be fun to attempt to give you these kind of short videos of just, some super simple and fun and easy playtime. So I'm the worst at follow through, so we shall see how much of this prompt list I can actually make happen, but it's July 2nd and I did July 1st, so let's stay optimistic. So for this I used the prompt of, I think it was Doodle Wash. I don't know, I think I'm gonna hunt down for a few prompt lists and just go with whatever speaks to me in a particular day, not get too fussy with it. So the prompt was primary palette, and I am using my brand new tiny cutie patootie Hobonichi. If you're not familiar with these babies, I strongly recommend once the new collection comes out to pick up yours for 2020. But yeah, so this one is actually from July till December, and it's the small size. It's the first one of its kind that I've bought, and since April I've been using the big cousin, the cousin Hobonichi. Sorry if this is all Chinese to you or Japanese to you, but if you're part of the Hobonichi community, then hopefully you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, this is a planner. It has Tomoe River paper, which is a thin Japanese paper, which holds watercolors in the most amazing way. It crinkles and it buckles, and if you like that, if you're kind of a tactile person that enjoys that, you need to hop on this train. That's all I can say. So I'm using a Danielle Donaldson stamp to make my life easy, because I want to keep this super simple. And you can see I'm just playing here with some primary triads, kind of, just some variations of it. The top one is probably like my go-to colors, but actually also the bottom one. So because I do love my kind of vermilion reds and cobalt teals. Give this video a thumbs up if cobalt teal is in every palette you own. I love that color. Yeah, so I'm using this really lovely quill brush, and it is by Jackson's. I highly recommend Jackson's shop and brushes and everything. They have also a great synthetic range if that's what you're in the market for. This one in particular is real hair, but they have tons of great synthetic brushes. And that's it. The paint I'm using is mostly Aquarius and some White Nights, and I'm done. Short and sweet. I did add some stamping, which hopefully you'll see in a future video. I hope you enjoyed this. Give this a thumbs up if you want to see more of these, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye.